Now the next concept is reproduction in human being. How exactly reproduction take place in human being? We know that in case of human being it is sexual reproduction. So in a sweet and short way I'll try to explain what exactly take place in the sexual reproduction in case of human being. Just see, we know that male and female are separate in case of human being. We are unisexual. Male is different from female. So I'll write here male and here female. Now the male reproductive organ is a pair of testes. A pair of testes which is present outside the abdominal cavity, okay, little lower than the abdominal cavity, so that it can get lower temperature. If it is present inside our abdominal cavity, it would have got the same temperature of our body, that is around 37 degrees Celsius. But it is outside the abdominal cavity, so that the temperature in testis will be slightly less, around 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius less than the body temperature. Whereas in case of female, the reproductive organ is a pair of ovary. A pair of ovary. It is present in the abdominal cavity. In case of male, inside the testes, male gametes are produced, that is sperms. Sperms or male gametes are produced in the testes, okay, when a person attains maturity or puberty, somewhere at the age of 13 or 14 years, when a boy attains maturity, starts producing sperm in his body, in the testes. In case of female, even in case of female, when she attains maturity, somewhere at the age of 12 years, okay, a cycle starts in her body. We call it as menstrual cycle. The cycle is of 28 days, sometime 29, so 28 days. Menstrual cycle is also called as periods, and during that time she starts releasing an egg per month, roughly per month. It is per 28 days, we call per month. One egg is released, okay, from the ovary. So the production of egg is very economical, one egg in a month. Whereas in case of male, sperms are produced in bulk quantity, in large quantity. The reason behind this is, okay, when sperms are released, it has to go and reach the egg. If it is in millions, at least one sperm can go and reach the egg. Okay, to increase the chances of this meeting, the number of sperm will be maximum. Now, from the ovary, okay, egg is released. We call it as female gamete. Egg is also called as ovum. Egg is also called as ovum. Now, the male has to deposit sperm into the body of female. Male has to deposit sperm into the body of female during sexual contact, okay. So, when the sperms are deposited into the body of female in the reproductive tract of the female, okay, sperm and ovum, sperm and the egg, male and female gamete, they come in contact with each other. The fusion of male and female gamete take place. Fusion of male and female gamete take place. This process is called as fertilization. This process is called as fertilization, and as a result, when they fuse, the result is zygote. So zygote is formed in the body of female. In her uterus, or the womb we call, in the uterus, zygote is single cell structure. Slowly the zygote will get implanted in her uterus, okay, and zygote undergoes division. It starts dividing, and single celled zygote will become mass of cells, and then we call it as embryo. Then we call it as embryo. It starts growing into her uterus, into baby, and slowly it takes the shape of a baby till inside her body, it is called as fetus. It is called as fetus. And when its development gets completed, okay, now that baby is ready to come out of the body of female from the mother. So this stage of growing from zygote till completely formed baby, that period is called as gestation or gestation period. In common word we call period of pregnancy, about 9 months. And once that baby is formed, baby comes out of the body of mother through birth canal. Okay. Now see, in case of human being, directly the birth of the baby takes place. That is, the young one is directly delivered out of the body. This is called as, okay, viviparity or viviparous nature. Viviparous nature. Whereas in case of birds and reptiles, they don't give birth to young one, they lay eggs, and we call it as egg laying or oviparous. Thus, the birth of the baby take place. So this is the entire process of sexual. It's just basic I have told. Okay, how exactly, okay, the sexual reproduction take place in case of human being. Thank you.